It's the end of the day. I have meal prep. I have cleaned the whole down. I ain't do my kids' rooms today. I wasn't doing it. Okay. My husband is going to pick them up now. He just dropped off dinner from Texas Roadhouse. It's my last little cheat meal because I got my little protein and cooking, you know, my food for the week for work, for me and him. So he brought out food because he's gonna go pick my kids up from my sister's house. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got a baked loaded sweet potato, which they sweet potatoes and got a little smile on hand, but I guess they know I'm going on a diet or something. I don't know. He got a bacon cheeseburger, and then we got some rolls, and I got the fried chicken, and then that's my broccoli. So I am about to eat and shower and finish doing these dishes. I've already loaded the dishwasher. That's probably what y'all hear. I'm gonna hand wash what I have in there, which is not a lot. So I'm gonna hand wash that, eat my dinner, shower, make sure these kids when they get in here shower, get their clothes out for the week or for the day, well, for tomorrow. And then I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.